What is up, everybody? My name is Rao. Well, if you didn't know, I am still stuck in hell. By hell, I'm in school. I love everything about school except that one thing that pisses me off: studying. That is the thing that I hate the most in my entire life. But my teachers didn't even give up on me. They educated me. They asked if I don't understand a question. They taught me as much as they can, you know. And guess what? I still got an F in my history class. On today's video, we are going to make a video especially for Teachers Day. Actually, I know that today is not Teachers Day, but still I don't have any idea on what to do for today's video. Let's just accept that today is Teachers Day. Now, back to the video. Alright, without further ado, let's just start our video for today. Kids, I don't care if you have an exam or anything. I'm going to give you work. Make sure you finish it and send it by tomorrow. Just do page 95 until just do on the book, man. It's really easy. Admit only, man. What? Rao, tuck in your shirt. Rao, why you never clean shave? I have been. Rao, why you never come yesterday? Well, actually yesterday I went to America. I don't want to hear any excuses. Make sure you come tomorrow, okay? Rao, why you come today? Okay, you're telling me that your dog actually bite your homework and run away? I believe you. Come on, man. I believe you. I believe you. Don't cry. Huh? You never finished my homework? How dare you? Why didn't you finish my homework? Sir, yesterday you took my book. Alright students, today we're going to learn on how to find X. How to find X. Okay, Chichka, could you go in front and give me the answer for question number 27? Okay, you can go now. Hey, you don't know this question, better you go to Tadika lah, Silent! Shh. Alright, don't take this video as a threat to kill teachers. You just take it easy on this video, okay? We will always love you, teachers. So that's it for this video. Leave a like and also leave a comment so that I know what I could improve in my videos. And I think that's it for this video, and I'll see you on my next video. Until then, peace.